Hi, I'm Jim Langdale with Mustang Performance LLC. We're located 1.5 miles east of 75 off Rickenbacker Parkway. Today we want to show you our state-of-the-art dyno. Come on in, let's take a look. Okay, this is our state-of-the-art dyno. It's mobile. It will dyno bikes or trikes for those that want to pep up their trike. It's a Mustang dynamometer. It's a power dyne. We have the dual drums here. What we do is we move our wheel chock to the center, and we can run any trike that we want to up in here. A lot of times we leave the trikes out of the picture, and that's no longer. There's our state-of-the-art computer system. We have an onboard weather channel here. Of course, you can see our power dyne. And not only can we tune your bike, but we can run races, eighth of a mile, quarter mile. Our Christmas tree is built into the computer, and we can see what your bike has. In a quarter mile, we can see what we need to do with our air fuel ratio. We can see what we need to do there to pep it up if that's what you so desire. Pretty good for an 88. One other thing, for all you bikers and clubs out there, we do special events, so give us a call and we'll be glad to hook the truck to this thing and bring it out there. Any charity events, just give us a call. 239-245-7244. Okay, this is Mustang Performance, 239-245-7244. If you can't make it to us, we'll come to you. Have a good day.